Did you know that 1 out of 2 women own a vibrator? It's true. And 10 out of 10 of those women love them. Because they know a vibrator is the perfect accessory for a healthy lifestyle for women and couples. But where do you get one? Visit the adult shop down the street? No way. What about the adult shop online? But there are way too many products to sift through, and the images are enough to make even the cat blush. And can you even trust the site? Shopping for vibrators shouldn't be intimidating and uncomfortable. Now it doesn't have to be. Upper Drawer is the sophisticated, elegant alternative to the adult product mass market. Because your happiness and comfort are our top priority, you'll find only the finest, safest, quietest vibrators right here. And we make it easy to select one for yourself or as a gift with our unique Vibe Finder. Each item we sell has been hand-picked and tested so you can be certain it's safe for your body and sophisticated in both design and features. And we promise to keep your private life private with secure shopping and free and discreet shipping. So visit Upper Drawer and enjoy yourself.